Natural basa.
In rural areas, people enjoy spring water that is filtered through the strict layer of sand and rocks.
In cities,
water treatment facilities treat and process water to provide clean water for human consumption. Filtration is an important process in water treatment facilities. Filter take out a lot. Nabulaw mo sumabay. Out of a lot.
Ayusin mo ng dahan-dahan pero malinis. Kagaya na ng clean water through filtration.
Maganda naman yung
In rural areas, people enjoy spring water that is filtered through the thick layer of sand and rock. O, ganyan magbasa yun. Shrine.
Naku, magbasa ma. Kasi
Saan ka na? Dito na tayo. Dito na lang tayo kasi mas mahal to kasi nakakaburol-burol ka kaya
Pachachong.
Dali mo na.
Puro S yan eh.
Puro S yan.
Clean water through filtration.
Ayusin mo.
In rural areas,
people enjoy